Are you unknowingly destroying your kidneys with a single bite of delicious but toxin-filled cheese? This is the haunting question many of us face while standing on the thin line between culinary enjoyment and the fear of illness. When your body feels weary and your kidney markers begin to signal danger, you might have thought that you must completely abandon your passion for cheese to preserve your life. Confusion and anxiety take hold as you stand before the grocery aisles with hundreds of options, wondering if this food is a remedy or a slow poison worsening your condition. However, the philosophy of balance teaches us that truth lies in deep understanding. Not all cheese is an enemy to your kidneys. There are specific varieties that, when chosen with wisdom and moderation, can actually align with your body's natural healing process. The golden key is not found in extreme restriction, but in the clarity to distinguish between what nourishes and what burdens your soul. In today's session at Kidney Health 365, Dr. Matthias will reveal the top 4 best cheeses to flush out toxins and support kidney vitality. We will explore through a scientific lens why these selections are safer, what essential nutrients they provide, and how we can enjoy them in the most beneficial way. Every piece of information will be shared in a simple, heartfelt manner so that everyone can grasp and apply it to their daily walk of life. I urge you to stay with me until the very end of this video, as I will share a profoundly valuable secret that most kidney patients unknowingly overlook, a vital tip that could save you from making critical dietary mistakes that threaten your well-being. As your companion in health here in the United States, I am Dr. Matthias, and I deeply understand that for those over 60, a meal is more than just calories. It is a sacred ritual of honoring life. Many seniors fear that kidney challenges will steal their joy of eating. But wisdom in our choices allows us to find freedom within our limits. I want to share with you a deeper, more philosophical and scientific look at the first group of cheeses, rewritten to resonate with your physical and spiritual needs. Let us begin our journey of nourishing the body's delicate filtration system by embracing soft cheese as a symbol of kindness and flexibility toward your kidneys. Soft cheese, with its moist, smooth, and spreadable essence, is a comforting embrace for the aging palate. Whether you are crafting a light sauce or a topping for artisanal whole-grain bread, these cheeses act as a gentle bridge between flavor and health. Common varieties like cottage, ricotta, mascarpone, or paneer in your refrigerator are silent guardians. I believe that choosing soft cheese is an intentional move toward a lifestyle that is minimally processed and closer to the natural soul of milk, allowing your body to absorb nutrients without battling complex artificial substances. To truly understand why soft cheese is a soulmate to your kidneys, we must examine 3 core pillars. First, soft cheese typically contains significantly less salt than its hard, aged counterparts. In my clinical philosophy, sodium management is the master key to keeping blood pressure harmonious and preventing the kidneys from drowning in fluid overload. Reducing every milligram of salt is a direct way you preserve the resilience of your vital filters. Second, a crucial scientific reality you must know is that soft cheese is naturally lower in phosphorus. As kidneys grow weary, excess phosphorus can lead to brittle bones and distressing skin irritation. Selecting foods with lower natural phosphorus is not just a diet plan. It is a form of mindful consumption, ensuring you offer your body only the purest elements. Third, and perhaps most vital, is the lack of chemical additives in these soft varieties. Many processed or aged cheeses in American markets are laden with industrial phosphate additives that invade the bloodstream rapidly, causing silent damage to your excretory system. In contrast, ricotta or paneer remains pristine and close to real milk, providing absolute peace of mind. Regarding protein, soft cheese offers a moderate amount, just enough to maintain the muscle mass essential for aging without overwhelming the blood with urea waste. However, I urge you to always remember the philosophy of moderation. Even the finest food requires small portions to maintain perfect balance. When we savor a small serving with full awareness, food becomes medicine, allowing your kidneys to regenerate and heal each day, instead of enduring unnecessary stress. Greeting everyone. I am Dr. Matthias, living and practicing in the United States. I deeply understand that in the twilight years of life, You are not just searching for nutrition, but for peace of mind in every meal. We often compare life to a symphony, and balance is the most vital note. As our kidneys begin to show the signs of time, choosing food is like choosing friends. It requires elegance, thoroughness, and a touch of the philosophy of moderation. Today, I wish to share more deeply about the next group of cheeses in our journey to preserve your kidney health. Moving forward in our quest for harmony for your kidneys, I invite you to explore the world of semi-soft cheese. This food group represents a perfect intersection of texture and flavor. It is slightly firmer than soft cheese, but maintains a supple quality that melts easily to warm the heart of the consumer. In the lifestyle of seniors here in America, we cherish what is just right, and semi-soft cheese is a testament to that. It is neither too loose nor too harsh. You might find varieties like mozzarella, feta, or goat cheese appearing in vibrant salads or warm homemade sandwiches. The unique beauty of this group lies in its ability to deliver rich flavor without needing a large quantity, allowing you to satisfy your palate while respecting your body's limits. A vital factor for anyone navigating kidney concerns. When diving into the science to answer whether semi-soft cheese is truly a good companion for the kidneys, I believe the answer resides in the wisdom of your choices. Within this group, mozzarella stands out as a beacon of safety because its salt content is usually much lower than its relatives like feta or halloumi. First, keeping sodium levels at a minimum is essential to prevent fluid retention and manage blood pressure, ensuring your kidneys do not have to struggle under an excessive workload as time passes. Second, another precious advantage is that the phosphorus content in semi-soft cheese is generally much lower than in aged hard cheeses. This helps prevent toxic buildup in the blood, protecting your precious skeletal frame and your heart from unnecessary complications. Choosing cheeses with naturally low phosphorus is how you practice gratitude toward your body every single day. Finally, I want you to be mindful of the purity of your food. Natural semi-soft cheeses are a wise choice because they are less likely to be tainted by industrial phosphate additives, silent invaders that the body absorbs at nearly 100%, placing direct pressure on the kidney filters. However, balance always demands awareness. If you enjoy feta cheese, which is often stored in salty brine, learn to be moderate by briefly rinsing it with fresh water to remove excess surface salt before eating. Regarding protein, this group provides a moderate amount, enough to support aging muscles that tend to wear down without causing a sudden spike in blood urea levels. A small serving, savored slowly, brings maximum satisfaction without harm. Remember, every smart choice today is a commitment to your long-term health, allowing your kidneys to rest and recover in tranquility. Greetings. I am Dr. Matthias. In my journey of sharing health insights here in the United States, I often compare our kidneys to devoted gatekeepers who have been working silently throughout decades of our lives. As we enter our golden years, these gatekeepers require more understanding and compassion than ever before. The next food group I am about to discuss represents the greatest challenge to your dietary mindfulness. This is hard cheese, a tempting food that carries many storms for kidneys in need of tranquility. Entering the world of hard cheese means touching the most concentrated and bold essences of long-standing culinary arts. This type of cheese, with its firm structure and intense flavor, is often the soul of cozy family meals, ranging from thin slices in sandwiches to small crumbles over pasta or salads. Names like cheddar, Edam, Swiss cheese, Emmental, Gouda, or even blue cheeses like Gorgonzola and Parmesan have become a familiar part of many of your palates. However, from the perspective of a healthcare provider, I want you to understand that this richness sometimes comes with a significant price for your excretory system. In the philosophy of aging, we learn to cherish what is light and pure. And facing hard cheese requires you to have a high level of self-discipline so as not to let your taste buds lead you astray. To answer whether hard cheese is kidney-friendly, I must share a sincere truth. It is not a preferred choice, but it is a test of moderation. First, most hard cheeses contain a very high amount of salt, often far exceeding the safe threshold for those who need to manage their blood pressure. Consuming too much sodium not only causes your body to retain fluid and swell, but also forces your kidneys to work beyond their capacity to excrete it, leading to accumulated damage over time. However, there is a small glimmer of hope in Emmental, as this cheese usually has a significantly lower salt content, making it a more breathable option for you. Second, the most serious issue is phosphorus. In hard cheese, phosphorus exists at a very high density. When the kidneys no longer have the strength to filter out this excess phosphorus, it builds up in the blood, silently draining calcium from your bones, making them brittle, causing joint pain, itchy skin, and placing a terrible burden on your cardiovascular system. Furthermore, I want to remind you about the phosphate additives, often hidden in processed hard cheeses or blue varieties. These are industrial compounds that your body absorbs almost entirely, causing direct shocks to your kidneys' filtration units. This does not mean you must completely sever your ties with this passion, but rather turn it into a ritual of conscious enjoyment. Instead of eating a large piece, you should only use a very thin slice or a few tiny crumbles to experience the flavor. Prioritize options like Emmental with low salt, and absolutely do not consume them daily. Controlling your portions is not an act of deprivation. It is an act of self-healing, allowing you to still enjoy the flavors of life without disrupting the peace of your kidneys. Wisdom in knowing when to stop is the pinnacle of the art of healthy living in old age. Greetings. I am Dr. Matthias. During my years of living and practicing in the United States, I have witnessed the explosion of health food trends. And one of the most misunderstood topics is plant-based alternatives. We often have the mindset that anything labeled plant-based is inherently pure and safe for our later years. However, for kidneys that have journeyed through life's ups and downs with you, the truth often lies in the details hidden behind the labels that we rarely notice. In this final chapter of our cheese exploration, I want to face a troubling reality with you. Plant-based cheese. These are typically made from nuts like cashews and almonds, or various starches and vegetable oils, which are very popular among the vegan and green living communities in America. Many of you over the age of 60, in a quest to purify your bodies, have turned to plant-based cheese as a saving grace to replace dairy. However, in my medical philosophy, the flashy exterior of plant-based labels sometimes masks complex industrial processing, and this can become a nutritional trap for kidneys in need of special protection. To analyze more deeply whether plant-based cheese is truly friendlier to the kidneys, we must peel back 3 layers of critical truth. First, a painful issue is the salt content. To create a taste and texture similar to real cheese, manufacturers often add a massive amount of sodium. As I have shared, consuming too many milligrams of salt increases osmotic pressure, leading to hypertension and forcing the kidneys to work in a state of constant overload. Second, you must be particularly mindful of saturated fats. The majority of plant-based cheeses use coconut oil as a base ingredient to achieve solidity. Coconut oil is high in saturated fats, which can raise blood cholesterol levels, leading to cardiovascular risks, a system already closely and sensitively linked to kidney health in seniors. Third, and perhaps most concerning, is the presence of chemical additives and modified starches to achieve the right stretch and a long shelf life. Plant-based cheeses often contain industrial phosphate additives. For your kidneys, phosphorus from additives is a silent toxin because the body absorbs it at nearly 100%, causing severe mineral imbalances. If you are following a vegan lifestyle, become a wise consumer by reading nutrition labels carefully, choosing products with the fewest ingredients and no added phosphates. Remember that even with plant-based cheese, moderation remains the golden rule. Do not let the healthy label lure you into neglecting your daily portion sizes. A highly processed plant-based cheese can sometimes be more harmful to the kidneys than a piece of traditional natural cheese. Deep understanding is the best shield to protect you against health myths. In summary, cheese can absolutely remain a cherished part of your life, even as you navigate kidney challenges. But it demands a sense of wisdom and profound caution. Throughout our journey today, please remember that soft cheeses, such as cottage or ricotta, are essentially your most loyal and gentle allies in preserving your filtration system. In contrast, hard cheeses and processed plant-based varieties must be handled with a much higher degree of skepticism and restraint. Our ultimate goal is not a life of bitter deprivation, but rather finding a way to enjoy the flavors you love without adding unnecessary labor to your kidneys. By consciously selecting options with lower sodium and phosphorus, you are taking a monumental step towards safeguarding your own vitality. Now, as I promised at the start of our session here at Kidney Health 365, I want to share a golden tip that is essential for every kidney patient's toolkit. A common oversight I observe in my practice is that people focus entirely on the type of cheese while completely ignoring the companions on their plate. Imagine this. If you consume a kidney-friendly soft cheese, but place it on a highly processed, salt-laden commercial cracker or a refined white bread stripped of its nutrients, you are unfortunately still causing silent harm to your kidneys. You are inadvertently introducing toxins back into the equation. Therefore, the philosophy of perfect pairing is this. Always marry your cheese with whole, pristine options like fresh vegetables, homemade low-salt breads, or cleansing fruits like apples and berries. This small yet powerfully healing shift can double the benefits for your kidneys and empower you to manage your condition with far greater success. I want to extend my deepest gratitude to you for spending your valuable time connecting with me through this video from Kidney Health 365. I am Dr. Matthias, and it is my sincere hope that this information serves as a guiding light, helping you make more enlightened choices for your well-being. One final but crucial reminder: please always consult with your primary physician or a specialized renal dietitian before implementing any significant changes to your daily diet. Caution is the highest form of self-respect regarding your health. Stay well, find peace in your journey, and I look forward to seeing you in our next session.